Welcome to Brain Vision.
So here we need to find the temperature at which the sphere just begins to brush the floor. Therefore, the change in the length of the steel plus the change in the length of the brass must be at least 2 millimeters, or 0.002 meters. We can say that the linear expansion coefficient of the brass times the initial diameter of the brass times delta T plus the linear expansion coefficient of the steel times the original length of the steel times delta T should equal 0.002 meters. And so we should say 2 times 10 to the negative fifth per Kelvin times 0.35 meters T minus T sub O plus 1.2 times 10 to the negative fifth per Kelvin times 10.5 meters, the original length, times T minus T sub O. This is going to equal, again, 0.002 meters. So we can say that T minus T sub O, if we solve for this, this is going to be equal to 0.002 divided by 1.33 times 10 to the negative fourth. And this is equaling 15 degrees Celsius. So we can say that T is going to be equal to T sub naught, the original temperature, plus 15 degrees Celsius. So this would be 20 degrees Celsius plus 15 degrees Celsius. The final temperature would be 35 degrees Celsius. This is our final answer. That is the end of the solution. Thank you for watching.